Okay. So on Friday we had a nice rally. We moved 80 points approximately, and now it looks like we're opening above yesterday's high. We're like right there. We were not even able to test this single prints during the overnight session, which to me it indicates that it's bullish, and all the shorts that were here are covering every chance they get. So they're not letting this pull back at all. So as long as we stay above Friday's high, we have room to go higher. Even though this profile looks unbalanced, and if it repairs and it becomes a balanced profile, it should give us a target around here, the 3970. The way I figure that is that you see this point of control, which is at 3985. If you measure from the point of control to the overnight high and then project that down, it'll give you a target around here, around the 3970 area, which is also where we have this high volume node, which is the 365-day point of control. So it would make sense that we pull back to there. Right now it looks a little more, it looks like it wants to pull back a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see if what happens. We really don't know what's gonna happen. We can just look and then take action based on that. So the way I would trade this is that if we trade above the overnight high or yesterday's high, depending on when it happens, above yesterday high, we target overnight high, and then we look to continue targeting this high volume area 4013, and then this highs from a few days ago at 4035 ish, 4038, and then above that we really don't have much. So this area is going to be resistant, and if we look in the longer time frame, we're balancing in this whole area, 4030 ish, 4040 down to 3900. So we're probably gonna be going back and forth in this area until the next FOMC. But if we were able to break out of this area with volume, the next target would be here at 4070. What is it? 4079, I think, which is this untested point of control. And then on the downside, if we get below this the overnight low, then we start filling this single print. Then 3970 should be the first target, and then look how all this area, there's a lot of volume. So if we get below 3970, we can easily go to 65 and then fill this single print, and eventually get to this high volume area 3950, and then from there I would expect that to support for now, but if it doesn't, then we can keep moving into this underneath 3945 into this area. If we get below 45, we're gonna get to 3925 at least, and then 3916. I wouldn't expect this area to break. There's a lot of support here, at least not before FOMC. But ranges are still big. We've had 90 points on Wednesday, 80 points on Friday. Thursday was a very small range, but in comparison, but we still have possibilities of moving 60, 80 points easy. Probably not today, but this is why I go all the way to here when I look at levels, because it's not crazy to expect another day like this. As far as economic news releases, they don't seem to be, doesn't seem like we have anything till tomorrow. So Mondays, probably balancing day. We're probably gonna try to break higher, trap some longs, try to break lower, trap some shorts. Probably go back and forth today.